Yes! Yes, yes, yes! I win again! Oh my gosh, Mario, stop talking! It's so annoying, Mario. I don't even care.
Yeah, Mario, why can't you just let us win? It's already bad enough that I'm not a playable character in Mario Party Superstars. You don't have to rub it in!
Come on, guys. It's just a game. Just chill out. No, Mario, we're really frustrated at you. That was a 30-turn game, and somehow you won at the last second. Come on, Luigi. It's just a game. Yeah, I know. I just gotta go for a second. I gotta go take a breather. Mario.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check out the Toad Shop. Arr!
Oh. Well. Gosh. I feel bad now. I just wanted to win the game. I mean, I didn't think that I was gonna go this horribly. I feel so bad. Guys. Probably going somewhere else to play a game without me. Okay. Whatever. I guess I could just take a quick little sleep. Maybe I'll have a dream about what would happen if I never existed, because that'd probably be better for them. Ah! What the? Hey, I was just here. I remember that. Yeah, I was just here. Wait, what the heck? Am I already awake? Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. Oh no. Is somebody taking me hostage? Yeah. What the? Who are you? Oh my gosh. After years of ruling over this plush kingdom, you still don't know who I am? I mean, no. You just look like a weirdo cat to me. Kind of looks like Garfield or like SpaghettiOs. My name is Stuffy and I'm the ruler of the plush kingdom. And let's just say some thoughts that you were having about you not existing. Our channel is a kid-friendly channel. Wait, what was that sound? That was the sound of the fourth wall breaking. Oh, sorry. Anyways, those aren't some good thoughts, Mario. So, I decided to take control of your dream. Wait, you can do that? Yeah, I can do anything, okay? Jeez. You definitely do not know all the powers that I have, okay? It's like, it would blow your mind, literally. Oh, that's cool. But, was it about me not existing? Precisely. I thought, you know what? Before you go and do something that you'll regret, I'm gonna show you some 4 major events that could happen and lead to major horrible no-nos in the timeline if you never existed. I mean, okay, but I feel like nothing's really gonna happen. I mean, they'll probably be better off without me. And also, just remember, this was about a Mario Party game, okay? Destroying friendship. Oh. Hello, Mario. I know who you are. Wait, where are we? Mario, welcome to the first major event. You know that guy over there? Wait, what the? It's the Mister. Yes. Now let's see how this plays out. Ow. This is for infecting me because I was insecure and wanted to become buff. Ah! Yeah! Yo, this is for having one of your guys eat my hammer. Wait, how do you have your hammer back? Because I'm cool. Yo! Bah! Ow, that hurt. That was your hammer, so that hurt. Ugh. Stop this at once. Haha. Super Luigi stomp. Yeah. Wait, what? Evolution! Wait, what? How did that happen? Well, Mario, since you weren't there for the finishing blow with Luigi, the Mister had enough time to evolve. And, you won't like what happens next. So let's just get out of here. What happened to you, Mister? More like, what happened to you? Now, you can conquer the kingdom with me. Yes, I will. It's Luigi time. Wait, here, sit right here. Okay. Wait, I know this place. Wait, no I don't. I know, it's a different place, since you didn't exist. It actually changed a lot of things, as you may know. But this is where the chef competition is. Alright, yeah. Okay, Blue Toad, good job. You won a chef competition with your amazing grilled cheese.
Yeah, it was amazing. Good job, Blue Toad. You're awesome. Now you're gonna be Luigi, new chef. Wow, that's awesome. Thanks, guys. Woo!
Wait, I don't understand. How is this a bad thing? Okay, let me just give it to you the normal way. Later on, Blue Toad, since he had no opposition, like in the original timeline where you didn't accept his dish because it was crusty. Well, nobody likes crust, I'm just saying. Anyways, since you rejected his dish in the first timeline, it caused him to start an empire and then be discontinued and then finally have the reward that he wants overall. But in this timeline, since it was accepted without any struggle, he wanted more, so he started the empire even though he got the chef. And in this timeline also, well, you're not gonna like it. Come on, let's go. Okay. Ow. Okay, where are we now? Well, Luigi, I thought that you would notice. I mean, look at the crew here. Luigi, Waddle Dee, and Koopa. Wait, I don't know this place. This is, that's the crew that we had during when the Manta captured us all. Yes, now, see what happens. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna go scout out. No, I'll go scout out. Yeah, me too, partner. Come on, let's go scout out. Wait, what the? Eat lead, turtle, and weird oval thing. Ugh! Wait, no, this is horrible! Yes, I know, but the worst hasn't come yet.
No, this is horrible. No, those were like my two only friends. No. Oh no. Oh, this is bad.
Hello there, Luigi. Fancy seeing you here.
No. No.
Well, I'm not gonna give you a second chance or anything like that. So, any last words?
No! Luigi, do something. Wait,
Do you want me to tell you what he's thinking right now? Yes, please. Okay, he's thinking. I could easily just slide on my legs, chomp the green bunny's legs out with my hands. Not exactly chopping it, but you know what I mean. Take the gun from him midair, and then finally win this thing. But... But... his only two friends are gone. There's nothing else left fighting for. He doesn't have any more friends to go back to and celebrate the victory. So... you know what? I'm not gonna fight. I'm just gonna accept my fate. Well, any last words then? I have none. My friends are gone. They're either dead or don't exist. I have nothing else to live for. Alright then.
Oh! No! Luigi, no! Wake up! No, Luigi! No! You shot him! No! Luigi, can you see me? Please! It's okay. I'm here. I'm your friend. Please, just stay here for me.
I'm sorry, Mario, that's not how it works. You can't see them. You can see them, but they cannot see you.
No, you little, you killed Luigi. No, Luigi, I am sorry. Please, I'll be there for you. It's okay, Luigi. I'll be there. Okay, please, just stay with me.
Mario, I know this is really hard for you, but there's one last thing that I'd like to show you.
How could you get any worse than this?
Come on, let's go. Okay, Mario. This is the last place. Okay. Guess we're just sitting here. Yes. Just be warned, it's gonna be pretty bad. Wait, I'm confused. What's that thing in the middle? Alright, you probably don't know this yet. That's an infinity marker. You need 6 of them to snap your fingers, and anything that you want happens. And let me just reassure you, in this timeline, since you're not here, the characters, the battle, and everything are actually mixed up. So when this eventually happens in your universe, well, let's just say it's not gonna have anything. Okay, it might have some things the same, but just let me see the scene. Okay, fine.
Yo, okay, man. We gotta get that marker before Thanos does.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm back. Now I'm here to get that green marker that's supposed to be filling this green space on my gauntlet. Quick, zombies, go attack him! Now! Ho ho ho! Yeah, let's go. Hopper, go! Not so fast.
Wait, what the? Ah.
Now time to get that marker.
It's okay, Luigi. I got this one.
No, sleep. This is too easy.
Oh no, man.
No, not so fast.
Oh. You changed my form. No, man. I'm only supposed to be able to do that.
Well, with the reality marker, reality can be anything I want.
Oh.
Finally, I get the thing that I want.
No, you come here.
Not so fast, you powerful foe. No, save me! Ah!
Quick, somebody, save us!
Come here, Thanos.
You don't want to fight me, Luigi. Finally, the time marker will be all mine. And your puny universe will get what it deserves. I tried to help it by slimming the population, but no. It will all be dusted away. Oh no, this is horrible! Just wait. Finally, time to get the last marker. It just rolled away from me. Finally, I have all of the markers. No. Wait, what? Beep boop. Take that, Thanos. Oh, no. I can't come this far just to be beaten by a robot. What are you going to do, purple weirdo?
Yeah.
No! I will defeat you! You thought you could defeat me, but where did it lead you? Back to me. Now, I will defeat your puny little universe once and for all. Quick! Somebody! Somebody out there! Somebody out there! Save us! Save us! Do something! Do something to stop him from snapping! A silly little hopeful Luigi. That's not gonna happen. No! Well, I hope you enjoyed that. You puny, poopy heads. What happened, Luigi? We lost. Oh no. Ugh. Ow. What the? Guys, I have this weird feeling at the bottom of my stomach. Do you think it was just because I was up so high? Guys? No! Purple zombie! No! Head zombie! No, no. Luigi? Yeah, yes? Luigi, I don't feel so good. Shh, it's okay, no. Luigi, remember the competition where you chose me to be your friend? Yeah, I do. Thanks for being there for me, Luigi. No, please, no. Bowser Jr., stay with me. No, Bowser Jr., no. We're the only one left. Wait, who are you? Wait, you can see me? Yeah, you. I can see you. What are you doing here? I... Luigi, I'm so sorry. I should have been there for you. I feel like I know you. I'm so sorry, Luigi. I should have been there for you. I could have stopped all of this. It's okay, Mario. Wait, how do you know my name? You look like Mario. Luigi, please, don't. Mario, it's not your fault. I'm sorry. I couldn't save us. No! Luigi! Luigi, no! Don't! No! Luigi, no! No! Luigi, no! No! Luigi, no! Luigi. Luigi. Come back to me. I'm so sorry. So, this multiverse wasn't that good for you, was it? What do you mean, multiverse? Don't you understand? Each of the times that I showed you, they all ended in an apocalypse. The Mr. Apocalypse, Toad started an apocalypse, but the future people didn't decide to change the past. The Manta carried out his plan, and in this, everybody gets snapped away. Oh, I just want Luigi back. I'm sorry, Mario. No, Luigi. I'll be there for you. I'll always be there for you, Luigi. Stuffy Cat, can I leave now? Stuffy Cat? Stuffy Cat? Stuffy Cat? No. I just want to wake up. What the? What? It was all a dream. Wait, but why do I remember all of it? I gotta go talk to Luigi and everybody else. Luigi? I love you. Mario? What's wrong, bro? Luigi, I just wanted to say I'll always be there for you. I'm sorry. Sorry, Luigi. I just had this really weird dream. Well, it's okay, Mario. I'll always be there for you too. And I wasn't actually mad at you for the game. It's just a game after all. Thanks, Luigi. No problem. Well, I guess it's time to leave. Come on, Mario. We can, play another game. Or, I don't know, do something else. We'll see. God bless us, everyone. Uncanon, oh hi, it's me, Stuffy Cat. I know, yes, you're probably saying, hey, this is supposed to come out on, It's a Wonderful Life, it's supposed to come out on Christmas. Well, guess what, family? It's kind of more important than videos, okay? Sorry. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and, Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Late Christmas. Don't worry, everything else is still on, but Origin of Dark Bowser Jr. is not going to be coming this month. Maybe next month, most likely in February or late January. Sorry for the inconvenience. Anyways, oh, by the way, I forgot to say this. You know why Luigi had nobody else to, in the Manta, you know why Luigi was so sad? All those scenes with Mario and Luigi sitting on a couch together, they were just Luigi sitting on a couch by himself, being sad. And then sometimes he would be sitting on the couch crying, because he had nobody to sit with. Anyways, without further ado,